guys. Purpose of this video is to show you or talk about opening and closing procedures for the gym. Uh, with this video, we want to ensure that classes start effectively and on time. And when they start on time, everything just runs smoothly. So, first couple things. Open and walk-in are two different things. Open is if the gym is completely shut down, and walk-in is if the gym is open. An example of open is, as it says, say you're doing a 6 a.m. or a 4:30 class, right? The gym is closed until you open it up. An example of a walk-in is you doing like, a 5:30 because there was a previous class before that. So the difference between the two classes, open procedure protocol. Remember when you walk in, you need to be 20 minutes early. Meaning that when you arm the sensor, I should see 5:40, not 5:41. I'm actually going to put a note here that says in wintertime, it's going to be about 30 minutes early because you actually want to make sure the heat is on to turn on heat. That's if it's not on. So I'm actually going to put that. Unlock the door, turn on both lights, use code to unarm the gym, grab binder in the PT area. I'm actually going to put this at the front desk. The binder is going to be from front desk. Not sure the procedures. Turn on the fan. Green button turns it on. Leave it around 60 or 70. Quick note, if it's number 7, if it's wintertime, when you turn on the heat, you got to flip the switch to the right. Move it down to about 70 degrees, but then I'm actually going to put a C here. Actually switch this. Fan on to 40 to 50 knots. You actually have to have the fan on to blow the heat down. So just a note for you. Turn the music on. We'll actually have a separate video on how to get into the computer. Make sure you're on the DJ Deuce playlist and just kind of work from there. Or a friendly playlist. Try to avoid all the twerk music and all the crazy stuff. If that's on, please report it to the site manager. Get geared up. Put your stuff away. Must wear Savoy Fitness or Top Dog CrossFit uniform. We encourage you to leave your stuff at the gym so you always have it. Black yoga pants or leggings are acceptable. Jeans are not acceptable. Yes, I had an intern wear jeans. So no jeans. I actually go a step further. Make sure you wear fucking tennis shoes. Wear tennis shoes. Perform any and all tasks needed. If coaching the speed class, grab the sports performance warm-up on a clipboard. Rest of the procedure, please go to walk-in. So I'm in walk-in procedure, same exact thing. It's the same exact thing. Biggest thing is number 3. Make sure you're taking control of the music. Meaning that if there is a 4:30 going on that ends at 5:30, you just want to make sure that, let's say it's 5:27, class starts at 5:30. Make sure that you kind of own the space, gather your group, kind of have your hand on the music because you have to perform question of the day. Really, it's up to the coach. The coach is going over. The coach has done a shitty job with time allocation. It needs to be better than that. Class needs to start on the dot, not 5:31, not 5:32, but 5:30. Please contact your coach or the coach that taught previous if they are constantly in the way, because that is 100% unacceptable. For boot camp, designated playlists. On the auxiliary side of the gym, you have the music located on the iPad. Use Apple Music account, so on and so forth. Don't touch the heater. There's no heater on the auxiliary side. I'll do a separate video for the south location. iPad setup. That's how you set the iPad up if you need it. Select your song. Make sure you're on AirPlay. Hit me, dog. Music should play through the speakers. Please don't turn the volume up higher than it has to be because the speakers that we have or the subwoofer is not the best. Make sure you explain anything to the entire group with the announcements. There needs to be the password to the iPad. I need that somewhere in here. guys, when you're gathering, and we're
iPad
gonna,
doesn't have password.
I'm sorry, the Mac Mini. Gathering a group, guys. Remember, when you're gathering a group, this is just a little add-on. So when you're on the floor, class is about to start. Sample 1, sample 2. I'm on the floor. I got everybody in front of me. Hey guys, what's up? Let's gather around for question of the day. Everyone sitting down. Let's form a circle. A circle is a circle. It's not a triangle. It's not a weird shape. Make sure everybody is tight. Get in a circle. These are some scripts to help you kind of transition into that. I mean, ideally, we're looking for you to be lively, to be moving. Just as a coach should be entertaining. And then when you present the question of the day, obviously the presenting of the question of the day and gathering of the group exits you out of the open and walk-in procedure. You're ready to coach class. Here's a script if you're trying to do that, and we'll clean this up a little bit. But again, key thing that I want you to know is how to open everything, how to turn everything on, how to get the heat and the fan on, and getting on time. I'm a big component of things being on time. My rule is 10 minutes early. So make sure you're on time. And 9 times out of 10, if there's something you don't know, it's a way to prevent errors by being on time. There will be questions following this and a live in service to how to activate these things. Thank you.